Hey Bob, Deb, we're here over at Unit 1925. I'm going to run through, give you this video tour. Everything appears to be in really good shape from the eyeball perspective. In the kitchen, if you remember, there's two pantries. Everything's nice, neat, and clean in there. And the other one here, still have your paint samples there, the kit that they give you when you move in. This is the Nexia box. This is what you use to change your front door code. Everything looks good here. Over here in the kitchen, stove is clean. No gunk or anything in there. It looks like they probably maybe only used it sparingly, if much at all. Microwave, nice and clean. Same with the sink, looks good. Underneath the sink, the cabinet looks good. Doesn't look like there was ever any leaks or any signs of drippage down there. Nice and clean in the dishwasher. Little scuff mark there, like they scratched something up against this, or actually, nope. Looks like they had a sticker here and it's just goop from the sticker. So nothing to worry about there. Maybe right here, there's a little bit of something, but nothing to worry about. Everything looks good on the countertop here. Then the fridge, that's just a little dirt. See on the inside, everything looks nice and neat and clean here. Freezer looks nice and clean. The carpets look perfect. They've been vacuumed. I don't see any spots anywhere. Looks really good. Then over here in the laundry, hot water tank, everything appears to be as it should. Nice, neat, and clean. No signs of any water leakage. Looks good in the laundry. Nice and clean in the dryer. Honestly, there's not even a speck of lint in that dryer vent, so either that was cleaned out or just they've never even used it. The guest bath here, again, everything looks really neat, clean. If they used it, they didn't use it much, very sparingly, I can tell you that much, because it looks mainly untouched in this unit. Then toilets. All right. The crown molding is in good shape too. Usually what we look for is just a little cracking in the seams, things of that nature, where it needs to be recocked. At least over here in the front part of the house, everything looks really nice and tight, as it should. Same here. can see there's just slight splitting, and that's all natural. Within the first year, you usually get a little settling, and that's all you need there is a little bit of that caulk, and seal that up. A little white paint. It's really not a big deal at all. Those two little spots right there. The rest of it's looking pretty good here as we go throughout. And that one could use just a slight little touch up right there. Otherwise, everything's in good shape. In the den here, again, the carpets are really nice, neat and clean. No spotting, no marks, no stains. Everything's in good working shape here. You have the bar. Everything looks good. All the floor tile. I don't notice any cracked tiles. Everything's in good shape there. The baseboard in good shape. So it's really neat and clean. Here's the view. It's a really nice view from back here. You have the lake just starting off to the right. You get the nice meaty part of the fairway here, the preserve in the back. And then you also have a little lake on the left of you here as well. Some palm tree views. Really pretty. Then coming back inside, we'll finish off in the master here. Again, the carpet looks good. Just a couple of divots where you can tell that they had furniture previously, but that's all normal. The crown molding in here, really nice and tight. Everything looks pretty good. And the closets, everything's good in here. Clean carpets. And on the other side as well. Carpet's all nice and clean, everything looks good. And then we have finally the master bath. Two sinks look good there. Again, underneath, no signs of water damage underneath. On either side, everything looks good there. Commode, everything's fine there. And then in your shower, everything looks good. Alright guys, so there you have it. I think you're in really good shape here with this unit. Of course, you can have the home inspector come in to test the the AC unit. It is cool in here, so it is operational. But I would recommend at least having them come in and test it with 100% certainty. But I think you guys are sitting pretty well with this unit. Talk to you soon.